Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. All right, Amazon find for today are the running boards with two stairs, and they're designed in all steel build. They're compatible with the 2018 through 2025 Jeep Wrangler JL 4-door. That's a mouthful. So are you looking to upgrade your Jeep Wrangler's accessibility and style? These all-steel running boards with the two stairs are designed perfectly to suit your 2018 through 2025 Jeep Wrangler. Built tough with high-strength steel, they provide unmatched durability and support for you and your passengers, whether you're hitting the trails or cruising the city. The innovative two-step design offers easy access to your Jeep, making entry and exit effortless, even with lifted setup. Plus, their sleek, rugged look enhances your Jeep Wrangler's aesthetic while offering superior protection against road debris and obstacles. Easy to install and built to last, get the ultimate combination of function and style with these Jeep Wrangler running boards. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.